You see that word right there? Free. It's not about this. I didn't finish the word. Everybody wants free. True success and happiness is about freedom. How do you get that? It doesn't always take a lot of money. You probably just want to do what you want to do every day. Do it with who you want to do things with. And do it for however long you want to, okay? Whether it be going to the beach, whether it be playing a sport, exercising, spending time with your family, whatever it is, freedom. That's what everybody's after. Today's society doesn't seem very free anymore, does it? Okay, you get up, you go to work, you come home, eat dinner, take care of kids, whatever you have to do, and you start the cycle again the next day. It doesn't have to be like that. It shouldn't be like that, okay? Freedom. So, how do you really get it? You have to figure out how to generate. You've heard it time and time again, I'm sure. Passive income. What does this mean? AKA make money while you sleep. You might be thinking to yourself, man, that would be nice. That would be really nice. You might think, I don't know how to do that. Well, you can learn, okay? I didn't used to know how to do it either. Just a few years ago. I'd always wanted to learn how to do it. Some of the more common practices are real estate, owning rental property, renting stuff, renting your car, renting heavy equipment, renting stuff like that, renting it out, stuff that you already own. That's considered passive income, but you still have to worry about that. So it's not technically making money while you sleep. I'm Austin Mayfield. If you don't know me yet, founder of NoLimitProducts.com. It's an e-commerce multi-vendor marketplace. And we have an affiliate program, okay? You might be familiar with affiliate marketing. This one is unlike any other because it pays you 50% residual commission. That's big, okay? What does this mean? It's a marketplace, so what you do as an affiliate is refer vendors who are in the e-commerce business, drop shipping business, aka sell products online, like people that sell on Amazon, people that have a Shopify store, okay? So you join this affiliate program 100% for free. Free training is provided, okay? You will be given an affiliate link, okay? Unique to your account. So every time you copy and paste this link and tell people about No Limit Products in your Facebook, on your Instagram, you might take out a Google ad, a Facebook ad. Every time someone clicks that link and registers to sell their products on No Limit Products Marketplace, you get 50% of their commission, okay? We have 2 different vendor accounts. They will pay either $25 or $50 a month. Okay? You get 50% of this. So you get either $25 or $12.50 per month. Okay, so those of you familiar with Amazon or Shopify, they charge their vendors by the month, okay? So every single month, that they sell their products, you're still getting your $25 commission. Okay? Very, very simple. This is making money while you sleep. Simply by making the one referral, you get paid for the lifetime of that vendor. Okay? The Crush It Online course, of course, I put together a while back. We do a giveaway. If you refer the most vendors via No Limit Products affiliate program, you win the Crush It Online course. It's a $495 value. If you would like to purchase it, I've got a link in the description below this video. I've got a link for you to start selling products on No Limit Products. You can sell your first month, first 30 days, 100% for free, like a trial. And I also have a link to become an affiliate in the description below. The Crush It Online course teaches marketing, online marketing, follow-up, closing, and e-commerce. Teach you how to set up your own store, find products. All of this for $495. Many people that have taken the course compare it to about a $2,000 course of similar genre. Okay, so it's well worth it because I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars to learn what I know now about these topics. Okay, I wish that I had taken a course similar to this for $495. So another way you can win the Crush It Online course is we give 2 away a week. One goes to the top affiliate for the affiliate program. The other, I pick one of my subscribers on the YouTube channel, so you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section below, Crush It Online, and at the end of every week I pick a winner. So let me know of any questions you might have, positive or negative comments in the comment section below. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Austin Mayfield, thanks.